Welcome to biology class. Hi students, welcome to a new academic year. Let me introduce myself. I am Nimsha, your biology teacher. Shall we start our class? Okay. This year in biology you have 8 chapters. The textbook is divided into 2 parts. The first part is having 4 chapters and the second part is also having 4 chapters. Your first chapter is sensation and response. In the first page, you can see a beautiful picture. Come, let's have a look on that particular picture. What do you observe in the picture? You can see some children. One is tasting a mango, another one washing her face. Some of them were making some sound. Because of the sound, the birds fly away. A child is touching a snail, etc. All this activity, that is tasting, touching, hearing, refreshing, is experienced because of the sense organs in our body. Hope you all know the sense organs of our body. That is eye, ear, nose, tongue and skin are the sense organs of our body. What are the factors to which the children and the organism respond here? Touch, sound, taste, smell, heat and cool are the stimulus which received by the children and organism, and they are responding to that particular stimulus. Okay, next we can have a look on what is stimulus. The sense that evoke response in organism are called stimulus. Let me give you some example for stimulus and response. So when you hear a music, what do you feel? Do you like to dance? So music as a stimulus and you dance as a response. At the time of hunger, when you receive the smell of some food, what happens? Your mouth will be having salivation, isn't? So the smell is a stimulus and the salivation in your mouth as a response. Hope now it's clear what is stimulus and what is response. Let's have a look on what are the different type of stimulus. Smell, taste, sound, heat and cold, vision. So we studied about the various type of stimulus we receive from outside of our body. Now let's have a look on what are the various stimulus from our body. Hunger, thirst, pain, these are the stimulus we receive from inside our body. So there are 2 type of stimulus, that is one which is receiving outside our body like smell, taste, touch, etc. and the other one which you receive inside our body, that is hunger, pain, thirst, etc. Next we can study what are receptors. Receptors are present in sense organ and other part of the body to receive such internal and external stimulus. So receptors are special kinds of cell that receive the stimulus from inside and outside our body. So in the previous classes we studied about the nervous system. The function of nervous system is to generate and coordinate responses according to the internal and external changes. The nervous system includes the brain, spinal cord, nerve and the receptors. Next is neuron. Neuron is a structural and functional unit of the nervous system. So this is the structure of neuron. Neuron is the longest cell in our body. We can study the structure of neuron in the next class. Before winding the class, let's have a quick look on what we studied today. Today we studied about the stimulus, that is the stimulus which receive outside our body and the stimulus which receive inside our body, and how the stimulus is received as it is through the receptors in our body that we receive the stimulus. Then we studied about the nervous system, the structural and functional unit of nervous system, that is a neuron. We can study the structure of neuron in detail in the next class. Hope you all understood what we studied today. Your home assignment is draw the structure of neuron and label its parts. Thank you. Have a nice day.